Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Learning with Himanshi, and in today's video we are going to discuss some of the important current affairs from the month of January. So let's see the first one. Which organization released the Future of Jobs Report 2025? Your options are World Economic Forum, World Bank, International Monetary Fund, or United Nations Development Programme, means UNDP. And for this, your correct answer is World Economic Forum, and by 2030 170 million न्यू जॉब्स क्रिएट करी जाएंगी, बट उसमें से 92 मिलियन जॉब्स जो है डिस्प्लेस होगी, लीडिंग टू अ नेट इंक्रीज ऑफ 78 मिलियन जॉब्स का. एंड इंडिया फोकस कर रही है ऑन AI, रोबोटिक्स, एनर्जी टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड semiconductors with AI adoption surpassing the global average. Let's see the next one. India's first commercial utility scale battery energy storage system is located at which place? Your options are Kilokri in South Delhi, Amritsar, which is in Jaipur, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, or Pokhran, Jaisalmer. And your correct answer is first option, which is Kilokri in South Delhi. And it will go live in March 2025. It is a 20 megawatt and 40 megawatt hertz battery cluster here, that is part of the BSES Rajdhani Power Limited, which is a Kilokri substation. Next one is, what is the theme of World Hindi Day 2025? Your options are हिंदी विश्व और भारतीय संस्कृति, making Hindi a part of public opinion, a global voice of unity and cultural pride, Hindi traditional knowledge to artificial intelligence. And your correct answer is a global voice of unity and cultural pride. Whereas World Hindi Day is celebrated on 10th of January every year to highlight the importance of Hindi globally, and first commemorate हुआ था in 2006, whereas National Hindi Day observe किया जाता है on 14th of September. Let's see the next question. Which institution has developed anemia phone technology to assess iron deficiency? Your options are Loughborough University, England, Cornell University, United States, Banaras Hindu University, India, or Duke University in United States. And for this, your correct answer is Cornell University, United States, where it offers a quick, accurate, and low cost iron deficiency assessment, and it is affecting the 50 to 70% of pregnant women in India with iron deficiency as the main cause. Next one is, what is the name of portal launched by government to make genome data accessible to researchers in India and abroad? For this, your options are Indian Biological Data Center portal, Indian Genomic Repository portal, Genome Access portal, or Life Science Data Bank. And your correct answer is Indian Biological Data Center portal, with making of 10,000 whole genome samples accessible globally. Next one is, Joseph Aoun has been elected as the president of which country? Your options are Oman, Lebanon, Qatar, or Yemen. And your correct answer is Lebanon. Next is, which state government has launched Parth Yojana, which is Police Army Recruitment Training and Honor? Options are UP, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, or Bihar. And for this, your correct answer is Madhya Pradesh, to train the youth for careers in the army, police, and the paramilitary forces. Next one is, Which organization has released the World Economic Situation and Prospects 2025 report? Options are United Nations, World Bank, International Monetary Fund, Asian Development Bank. And your correct answer is United Nations. Whereas according to this report, the Indian economy is projected to grow by 6.6% in 2025 and 6.7% in 2026, supported by private consumption and investments. Next one is Mount Ibu, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? Options are Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, or Indonesia. And your correct answer is Indonesia. It is an active stratovolcano in Indonesia erupted, sending ash clouds 3 kilometers high, and one of the Indonesia's volcano है among the 127 active volcanoes में से. Let's see the next one. Who has been appointed as the chairman cum managing director of National Aluminium Company NALCO? Options are Arunish Chawla, Tuhin Kanta Pandey, Narayan Das, or Vijayendra Pratap Singh. So for this, your correct answer is Vijayendra Pratap Singh. And NALCO was established in 1981. Headquarter is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Next is which state government has renamed the Institute of Public Administration after the Manmohan Singh? Options are Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Nagaland, or Uttar Pradesh. And your correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next one is where the 17th edition of Araplast West Asia's leading trade exhibition for plastics and petrochemicals is held. For this, your options are Dubai, New Delhi, New York, or Oman. And your correct answer is Dubai in UAE. Let's see the next question. What is the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index 2025? Options are 86th, 88th, 87th, or 19th. And it is 85th position of India in the Henley Passport Index. Second place पर है Japan, providing the passports access to the 193 destinations. थर्ड प्लेस पर आपका फ्रांस, जर्मनी, इटली एंड स्पेन है. एंड सिंगापुर रिटेन कर रहा है अपनी पोजीशन एज द होल्डर of the world's most powerful passport, visa free access to 195 destinations out of 227. So, next one is recently 21st edition of the Third Eye Asian Film Festival has started in which city? Your options are Mumbai, Dubai, Kochi, or New Delhi. And your correct answer is Mumbai. And it is a Chinese drama. The Black Dog will be the first opening film of this festival and organized किया जाएगा from 10th to 16th of January. Screening of movies will be conducted in Andheri, Sion, and Thane. Renowned lyricist or screenwriter Javed Akhtar will receive the Asian Cinema Cultural Award during this festival. My journalist Rafiq Baghdadi will receive the Satyajit Ray Memorial Award in this festival. Next is who has been appointed as the Revenue Secretary in January 2025? Your options are Arunish Chawla, Tuhin Kanta Pandey, Narayan Das, or Atul Kumar. And for this, your correct answer is Tuhin Kanta Pandey, and he has replaced the Arunish Chawla. Next one is which metro has unveiled the India's first indigenously built driverless metro train? Options are Chennai Metro Rail, Agra Metro Rail, Bengaluru Metro Rail, or Delhi Metro Rail. And for this, your correct answer is Bengaluru Metro Rail. Manufactured करी गई है by Bengal based Tatagar Railway Rail Systems Limited and cover करेगा of the route of 18 kilometers. So, students, we have discussed the most important current affairs of the month of January from the date of 10th to 12th of January में से most important हमने discuss करे हैं. Like this, we are going to share the more important questions related to the current affairs. Till then, please like, subscribe, and share my channel.